After Lenovo ThinkPad and Lenovo Gaming Legend also has an unusual price tag to compete in the market, Lenovo also produced a tablet that was priced at just $439. This price is not expensive if you use Microsoft, but it is not. It's only use Android. It's a pity. Lenovo Tablet Tab P12 TB370FU is a model released in 2024 years. It looks like any other tablet. Lenovo Tablet Tab P12 TB370FU comes equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, Android 13. It also has RAM 8 GB plus ROM 256 GB and SD card support extras up to 1 TB. Lenovo Tablet Tab P12 TB370FU its screen look very clear. It comes with a display 12.7-inch 3K 2944 by 1840 LTPS touchscreen. Camera front 13 megapixel with RGB sensor and ultra-wide FOV, rear 8 megapixel FA plus flash LED light. With a 10,200 mAh typical light and polymer, the battery life expects around 9 to 10 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. In the box, USB-C 2.0 charging cable, 20W charging adapter, Microsoft SD tray pin, and weight 615G or 1.36 pounds. Bluetooth compatibility and the most recent Wi-Fi standard are examples of wireless connectivity. Lenovo Tablet Tab P12 TB370FU is a solid choice for your use normal, like internet or email only. Before you buy, think carefully about yourself.